Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and in today's video we are diving into a head-to-head comparison of two of the most popular credit cards on the market. Chase Freedom Unlimited versus Discover It. We will break down everything from their benefits to their requirements from getting approved. If you are looking to maximize your credit card benefits, you will want to stick around for this one. And hey, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and join my free VIP group for more insider tips. I will leave the link in the description box below. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about what each card offers. The Chase Freedom Unlimited is known for a versatile rewards program and no annual fee. It's offer at least 1.5% cashback on all purchases with higher returns in categories like travel book through the Chase, dining and drugstores. On the other hand, Discover It car is famous for its cashback match feature in the first year and rotating 5% cashback categories every quarter, which you activate manually. So you have to be aware that you have to go every quarter or close to the quarter when the quarter gonna start. That way you can go and activate those specific cashback rewards that are available at the time, and that way you can get the benefit from it. Categories including like gas station, supermarket, and Amazon.com, making it a potentially lucrative option for savvy spenders. So meanings like, let's say that in this quarter they have available 5 cashback on Amazon.com. Well, you might have to consider, just if you have something to purchase from Amazon, then go online and use exactly this card. That way you can benefit of 5%. So this is amazing tool. Same with the gas station. So that's why you have to just set in your calendar a reminder every quarter of the first day of the quarter. That way you can remember to get in the app or the membership area and activate these tools that way, or activate these programs or cashback, and that way you can get the benefit or get benefits from it. Getting approved for either card means meeting some basic credit requirements. Typically, you will need a good to excellent credit score to qualify for the Chase Freedom Unlimited. A score of 670 or higher is often expected, while Discover It might approve score a bit lower, starting around 650 more or less. So in that case, I always suggest people, like, you need to check before you get into applications or anything like that. First, you have the option that you can pre-qualify to see if you are approved in this pre-qualification, which is basically give you a little bit of confidence, and your chance of being approved is higher. So just double check about that. But even before qualify, be aware of your credit score, what you are standing at the time. Just check, trying to always have a healthy credit profile. Check your credit history, that your payment history is in order and you are paying on time, because all of this helps at the time that you get or want to apply for a product. Chase generally pulls your credit report from Experian and sometimes Equifax or TransUnion, depending on your state. Discover, meanwhile, tries to check your Experian report, may also pull from other occasionally. So just be aware of that. I will suggest you just to call them, double check with them, see what they are pulling from, ask the question that you need to know. That way, what you can do is, if they say, well, we pull from this specific credit bureau, you can freeze the other two. That way, when you apply, they just have the choice to pull from whatever they say they would. So that way you just hit one time in that particular credit bureau and not the others. Each car has its pros and cons, like every product. The Chase Freedom Unlimited is really great. I love this product for its flat rate cashback on all purchases and boost categories. However, if it's part of a larger Chase ecosystem, which might be complex for beginners. So you have to be aware. Chase always have like their own particular rules and inside rules that can impact the decision, even though you have a good credit, but there is some rules that might interfere for your approval. So you have to be aware of these details. Um, However, this coverage scores big with the first year cashback match on no annual fee, which essentially doubles your rewards after the first year. So if you have accumulated 100, this is as low 100 cashback. Well, then you're gonna get at the end of the year, they're gonna match it up and they're gonna give you, and your total will be 200. So this is a good deal, but each rotating each rotating categories require more active management and planning to truly benefit from it. Like I explained before, you have to be aware, you have to pay attention to these and go and activate those products and be aware which category is the one active at the time. That way you can focus on spend or use that category more often. If it's gas, just be aware and remember that when you need gas, just pay with that card. If it's Amazon, just and you need to purchase something from Amazon, just use that card. Just it's a game. It's easy, but you have to pay attention to the details and remember to play the game wisely. To maximize the benefit of either card, timing your expenses to align with the rewards category is key. For Chase, leveraging the travel category through through their portal can significantly increase your returns. While with Discover It, planning major purchases in the 5% category is crucial. Both car offer introductory APR rates on purchases and balance transfers, which can be a great way to manage other high interest debts. Basically, what you can do over here is like if you get approved for one of these two cards and they offer you a 0% or a low percent APR interest rate for a certain period of time, let's say 6 months, and you have a debt in another product, meaning in another credit card, could be from another bank or something like that, then you can use this amount that you have approved in this product, pay off the other card, which have a higher APR rate, and then you can handle that. That's gonna go lower in whatever you have, um, whatever you pay on that one, just put it back into this one, which you just got the money out. But remember, the benefit is you won't be paying interest. What you have to focus and plan ahead that you can pay off this card during the time period of that introductory offer. That way you don't have to pay interest rate at all. Just pay it off on time during that period and you will be good to go. So which card should you choose? It depends of your spending habits and how much effort you want to put into managing your rewards. If you enjoy optimizing your categories, Discover It might be your best match right now. If you prefer or more straightforward reward system with higher earns potential across all purchases, then consider Chase Freedom Unlimited. Both cards are really good choices to consider. Is again, it depends which categories or how usually is your spending habit is, where you spend the most and all of those things, and you can go from there. But definitely both car are pretty good. One more thing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button to this video, and drop your question or experience with this car in the comment section below. Also, remember to check out my free VIP group for more tips and discussions. Until next time, keep optimizing your finance. See you. Bye.